mount that I put on. It should be a little bit. What? No, she hates me. Alright, so right now we're gonna go film Dave's new music video. I'll put a little Instagram for him right now and probably put a little preview of it. And yeah, so right now we're just riding down to the sea where we're gonna go ride and shit. I guess we're gonna do, we might go see Buddy Jeremy, pick them up to see, to watch this too. It feels a lot different because I haven't rode the Raptor in like a good month. It's been a good month because the Raptor. Oh god, this feels ridiculous.
Yeah. All right, let's fake steal it.
Nah.
What is this?
I know. He put like a little Baja kit on it. It's a little shitty bike. So fucking light.
Alright, let's steal it.
Does it have the key in it? Please tell me it does.
Oh
Damn, I thought you would have the key in it. Get your phone out. Oh no, Jeremy, someone stole your key. They'd be ghetto. Fuck's my phone at? Where's my phone at? Crackass, where's my phone at?
I don't know. What if you left it? What? What if you left it at home?
I might have actually left it at home.
Are we gonna have to ride all the way back? Where's he going? This way.
Bruh. You need to hide it somewhere else. Hold it. We need to hide it somewhere else, bro. You need better. Ethan, that corner back there. You see that corner?
Is it okay if I run over this?
Just fuck it. Just lift it, dude. Stealing Alfred's dirt bike right now.
Oh, Jeremy has no shirt on.
Hold on, Ethan. Ethan, there's people out there. Come on. Take the key out. He's up there. No, you got it unrecorded, dude.
Guys, we just took his bike and hit it. He stole his bike. I'll stay here. I would say we just rolled up.
Where'd you park it, Alfred? Because I was literally
Right
just
there.
out here.
Oh, it's not. Is it not fixed? Or it's not.
It's overheating.
Keep a tractor? I mean, a tracker?
Because I literally just got out here and they were hopping off the bike, yo. They were hopping off the bike. I don't even know.
Wait, did you guys make your music video?
Not yet.
No. That's why we're here.
Yeah, we're gonna. You guys wanna come? Are you being like? Are you fucking with us or not? The bike.
Alfred, where'd you put it, dude?
He's kind of
there, dipshit.
My fool. Okay. You're saying that we didn't move it. I think you're just fucking with it. Stop fucking with us.
No, you're fucking with me.
Does it look like I'm fucking with you?
He's fucking with me.
I'm not. No, dude. I literally just got out here. Ask Ethan, dude. I literally walked out. You was sitting out here. You Dude, was sitting out here. We pulled up. My dog's barking like crazy, and I was like,
No, where the fuck is it?
I don't have it. Where the fuck would I put it?
I don't fucking know.
Fuck.
Yeah. Oh! Woo! Ha! How does he do that shit? I can't wait till he fucking crashes one day.
He's in like a really cool day.
Oh, let me see.
No.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, bro. Here. Let me do it. Let me ride.
We don't have it.
Dude, I actually had.
Can I ride it, bro?
I got
Please. Dude, there's some fucking cranky shit.
No, it was a piece of grass.
Jeremy, your neck got in the way.
Come on, Ethan.
I gotta get those wheelies down, bro, for the video.
Break it, I'll fix it.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. I get paid tomorrow $400.
Watch this. He still thinks that someone stole it.
I was all the way back in that corner. Oh, fuck, if it's all the way back there. Where? Take me over there, Ethan.